What is up, everyone? Today is Thursday, August 20th, and I am on day 2 of my combine. For full transparency, we have 5 accounts. Copy trading with the leader here, followed by 4. Yesterday, we did one trade for 1500, and we need to get our total balance to 5300 to pass these 5, which would be huge. Again, this is coming after I had 6 weeks in the same XFA. I bought this account yesterday, and I'm going to show you guys today how to pass this account very easily, very effectively, and very quickly, waiting for the right entry, waiting for the right setup, and then we're just going to go all in, either buy or sell depending on where we're at. So if we just look at the bigger picture here, okay, over the last 30 minutes we see a downtrend since about 2. Okay, kind of a pullback and then continuation of the downtrend, hitting the overnight low, bouncing back up. Keep that in mind. In the 1 minute chart, which I trade, the VWAP is right there. Everything's trading below the VWAP, and the 9 EMA is above the 21 EMA. Okay, so that's good to know as well. So we're just gonna wait for a good spot, and we're just gonna go all in. Remember, we don't hesitate, and we just go with what we know. So let's get it. So market's open now. Okay, since there was kind of a downtrend for a while before this slight uptrend, I do feel like there is some juice on the upside. Okay, but we're just gonna see how this candle closes. Okay, and then we're gonna make a move on the second or third candle, depending what goes down here. But we gotta have confirmation. Remember, we are being reactive, not predictive. We don't predict where the market's gonna go. We react. First candle, just kind of back and forth. We're on NQ. Make sure we're trading NQ and not MNQ. First candle is about to close here. How does it close? It closed right at the EMA. So no real conviction on either side of that candle, to be honest. Not much happened on the first candle. Let's see what happens with the second candle. There's more conviction on the second candle, just for looking sakes. This is where it topped out right here. Okay, and this is where the downtrend started happening. So I'm just gonna mark this right here so I know, because there might be a resistance here. Okay, which is kind of still, there's room to get there still. So okay, well, this candle is very powerful. Look how powerful this candle is. Okay, and if we think it's gonna keep going up, we can get in for a buy, but we don't want to get in at the top of the candle unless a continuation of up. I mean, buyers are in control big time. People might be taking their profits here, but remember, we also have a DLL of 1,000. Okay, so if this pulls back here, I don't know if it's going to keep dropping or not, but if it pulls back, we can almost buy, unless it just drops. It might just drop too. So let's just see how this candle closes as well, and then we make a move from there. So this was 8:30, didn't do much. 8:31, a big buyers in control on that one candle. Could be just people taking their profits. And now 8:32 candle, it might close red, but we got to see here. It did close red. Okay. The VWAP is still here, trading below the VWAP, right? So right now, We might be looking for sell opportunities, but at the same time, the 9 EMA is above the 21 EMA, so that's something to note as well. Overall market trend since about 736 has been upwards. So yeah, let's just wait, okay? If we don't see clear moves, this might be one of those days where we take a couple of scalps. But if this closes red too, I think that's some pretty strong conviction that, you know, there is a good amount of downside here where we can get in on a pullback. So let's see how this closes. Pulls back, I'm going to sell. If it pulls back, I'm going to sell. If it gets to about here, I'm going to sell. Gotta be quick with it though. We have to see how it reacts at the 9 EMA though. Okay, that's important. If it passes the 9 EMA, it might drop down to the 21 EMA. This is an important level, so we'll see how this candle closes in about 20 seconds. Okay, I just gotta get ready. Remember, don't hesitate. I don't want to hesitate here. Who's gonna see how this candle closes and how the next one reacts? Okay. All right. That's pretty. I'm convinced that it's gonna keep dropping. So we're gonna wait for a pullback, and then we're gonna go all in on 5 contracts on a sell. But we do need a pullback first because we don't want to. That could be it right there. I'm in right there. Okay. Oh, what the fuck? Oh my god. That. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. This is sometimes why you don't trade 5 contracts, because this could happen. Oh my lord, what the fuck? That was fucking insane. What just happened? I got stopped. I got flashed, man. I got motherfucking flashed in this bitch, man. Fuck you. That is some fucking bullshit. I got fucked up there big time, man. Hey. Well, tomorrow we try again, I guess. That's fucking dumb shit. That's some dumb shit. That is some dumb shit, man. I got flashed hard, man. God damn. Jesus. I got flashed the fuck out quick, man. As soon as I entered, I got flashed out. What the fuck? I got a good spot and I just got flashed. Look at this shit. Damn. I couldn't wait 20 more seconds. If I waited like 20 more seconds, I would have caught it. Oh my god. Whatever, man. We'll bounce back tomorrow. Still got the accounts. Still up 500 on the accounts, so we'll have to get it tomorrow. All love, baby.